Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we were discussing the types of hydrocarbons, in which we study the cyclic hydrocarbons and acyclic hydrocarbons. In the cyclic hydrocarbons, we study alicyclic hydrocarbons, and acyclic hydrocarbons, we study the saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, straight change, branch change, etc. Now, in the cyclic hydrocarbons, there are aromatic hydrocarbons. So, what are aromatic hydrocarbons? Aromatic hydrocarbons. First, aromatic is derived from aroma. Aroma is a Greek word which means fragrant smell. Some members of this aromatic hydrocarbon smell, therefore they are named as aromatic. So basically the Huckel rule is applied to form either a compound is aromatic or non-aromatic. Huckel rule. Huckel rule was presented in 1931 by Huckel. This rule is basically on a formula which is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n plus 2. What is n? N is the number of pi electron. A compound will aromatic. First prerequisite for the reason for the aromatic hydrocarbon is that they must be cyclic, and after cyclic they must be unsaturated. And if a compound has a positive whole number of pi electrons, they will be aromatic. For example, if you take the example of benzene, which is the basic component, which is the basic member of aromatic hydrocarbons. This is benzene. So how would we find the number of pi electrons? How would we find this N in this compound? So there are 3 double bonds, and one double bond contains 2 pi electrons. So 2, 2 and 2, 6 pi electrons are here. If we take this on the formula, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6 pi electrons. So 6 2 come here to minus 2 and minus 2. So 4n is equal to 4. 4 divided by 4. So n here is n is equal to 1. So 1 is a whole number and a positive number. So the benzene is an aromatic compound. And if we take another example of another cyclic compound, which is a cyclobutadiene. This is a cyclobutadiene. There are 4 pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2. 4n is equal to 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means 0.5. This is not a whole number, a positive number but not a whole number. So this cyclobutadiene is not an aromatic compound. And if we take another example of another cyclo compound, so here the pi electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are the pi electron. 4n is equal to 6 divided by 4 divided by 4. So this is also not a whole number. So this is not a whole number. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. This is not a whole number. Positive number but not a whole number. So this is also not an aromatic compound. So basic rule for the finding the aromatic compounds